Hey there, little explorers. Welcome to today's Explainer. We are going way up into the breathtaking Sky Kingdom today, and honestly, we've got a super important, highly magical mission on our hands. So take a look over there. You see that magnificent stone bridge stretching all the way across that soft pastel canyon? Well, look a bit closer. It's totally gray. It's faded, and man, it looks really sleepy. It's basically lost all its brightness, and it definitely needs some serious magic to wake it back up.
To wake it up, we need to build a magical rainbow bridge using all 7 colors. Are you ready? I know you're ready, but here's the thing. We absolutely cannot do this alone. We need your help, we need your magic, and we definitely need your loud, cheerful voices to call out the colors with us. That is exactly how we're going to paint this bridge back to life and bring the Sky Kingdom back to its former glory.
Segment 1, the magical rainbow bridge. Let's get to it. Okay, let's get to work and start glowing up this gorgeous rainbow. We're going to call out the colors one by one. So use your magic, project that voice. What color is glowing right up there at the very top of the rainbow arc? You got it, it's red. Snap! Let's paint stripe number 1 bright red. And notice how the next colors just kind of pop right into their perfect place. Right below red, bouncing right into position, we've got orange. Doesn't that look exactly like a juicy, delicious slice of fruit? So good. And right after orange, radiating all this bright, brilliant light, comes yellow, just like the warm, happy sun shining down on our magical canyon.
Now let's move to the next layer and see how this builds our complete rainbow structure. Next up is green, sparkling with these tiny, bouncy jungle leaves. We are officially halfway there. Then, shimmering like beautiful ocean waves, comes blue, deep sea blue, followed right behind by purple, which is glowing with royal magic. Kind of like sweet, tasty grapes. And the very last color to complete our bridge, bursting with a joyful sparkle, is pink. Just look at that magnificent 7-color arc lighting up. We actually built the magical rainbow bridge. Let's stop our feet and cheer. Hooray! Now, come on, tiptoe with me across the colors. Tiptoe, tiptoe, and slide. Whee! We crossed it together.
Segment 2, Color Mixing Laboratory.
Pop, welcome down into our wacky, colorful underground lab. Bloop, bloop, bloop. You know, I absolutely love science experiments, don't you? So down here with our cheerful little cartoon scientist frog and his bubbling beakers, we're going to mix some colors together to see what kind of magical reactions happen. Ooh, look at this. On the left, here comes a bright red liquid drop, and on the right, a sunny yellow liquid drop. They are so friendly and wide-eyed. Let's mix them together in our giant magic beaker. But I need you to stir fast with me, okay? Stir, 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 stir. What color do you think they make when they hop in and give each other a big hug?
Poof! It turned into orange. Red and yellow make orange. Look at it glowing so brightly with all that confetti. That is one yummy mix. You little scientists are doing an amazing job understanding how these primary colors combine.
Okay, let's try one more experiment in the lab. This time, we've got a blue liquid drop on the left and a yellow liquid drop on the right. So what happens when deep blue meets sunny yellow? Get those stirring spoons ready. Stir it up. Stir, stir, stir.
Poof! It turns right into bright leafy green. And this just brilliantly illustrates how combining 2 different colors creates a brand new, magnificent one right before our eyes. Virtual high five, little scientists. You absolutely nailed that color theory experiment.
Segment 3, the Ultimate Color Hunt Challenge.
All right, it is time for a fast-paced game of Spotted Fast. We've just dropped into this bustling, cheerful toy room, and it is completely filled with scattered blocks, teddy bears, and bouncing balls. So here's the deal. I am going to name a color, and you have to use your super-duper detective eyes to find it before the game clock runs out. Ready, set, go! Find something blue. Look all around the room. Okay, 3 items just bounced in. Is it the red apple, the blue bouncy ball, or the yellow duck? Use those sharp detective eyes. The clock is ticking down. Ding, ding, there it is, the bouncy blue ball. Tap right on that blue ball. Awesome detective work. And look at how it wiggles and giggles when you find it. You guys are super spotters.
Let's do one more lightning-fast round to really test those skills. This time, find something purple. Look, look, look! Search everywhere around the block tower, check behind the toys. Where is the hidden purple item? Hurry, time is almost up.
Aha! There are the royal purple grapes, hiding right behind the block tower.
You found them! Huge congratulations on your awesome detective work. You are getting really good at spotting these colorful clues in a busy environment.
Segment 4. Pop the balloon.
Welcome to the grand finale party. Look at this room. It is filled with big, beautiful floating balloons in literally every color, swaying gently to the happy music. And right over there, our smiling yellow cartoon mouse is pointing the way to our next challenge. Now this is an interactive color identification quiz, so listen closely to the rules. On the left side, we have balloon number 1, which is red. On the right side, we have balloon number 2, which is green. I'm going to ask you a question, and you have to know exactly which balloon to tap and pop.
Okay, listen closely to the question, which balloon is green? Is it balloon number 1 on the left or balloon number 2 on the right? The countdown chime is playing, so make your choice and tap your answer.
Pop! You got it! That was for sure the green balloon. Let's pop one more really quickly. Which balloon is pink? Find the pretty pink balloon and pop! Woohoo! A massive confetti explosion. Just look at that cascade of colors raining down while the balloons do a happy little victory dance.
Segment 5. Learn colors with toys.
Phew! What a busy, exciting day of games and quizzes. Let's take a deep breath. Now it's time to shift gears, calm down just a bit, and clean up our play area by sorting out these spilled building blocks in our warm, cozy nursery. We've got a giant open toy box here with neatly labeled compartments. Look at this cheerful, hopping little red block. Where does it belong? Does it go in the blue box, the yellow box, or the red box? Categorizing things by color is just a fantastic way to stay organized.
Right into the red box. Zoom, clunk. Let's guide the rest together using this handy sorting chart. The green block goes straight into the green box compartment. The blue block goes smoothly into the blue box, and the yellow block slides right into the yellow box. Look at how neatly everything gets put away into its matching glowing compartment. Everything has its perfect place.
The room is completely spotless, the rainbow bridge is super bright, and you successfully practiced all your colors today. Because of all your hard work, you are now official Color Master Explorers. I am so incredibly proud of you. Go ahead and give yourselves a huge round of applause, a big hug, and a virtual high five.
So, we fixed the magical rainbow bridge, mixed some brilliant potions, and cleaned the nursery room. But what new colorful magic will you discover in your own real world today? Seriously, take a look around the room you're in right now. Can you find something blue? How about something red? Keep your detective eyes wide open, explorers, because learning literally never stops. I'll see you next time.